Rising like a sacred lotus in the heart of New Delhi, India, this architectural masterpiece is more than just a temple. It's a symbol of peace, unity, and spirituality. Welcome to the Lotus Temple. Lotus Temple is actually a Baha'i house of worship which aims to unite people of all religions and communities in a single thread. Designed by Iranian architect Fariborz Saba, this stunning structure was completed in 1986 and is inspired by the purity of the lotus flower, a universal symbol of enlightenment. But what makes this temple truly unique? It welcomes people of all religions, no idols, no rituals, just silence and meditation. Step inside, you will feel it. A divine calmness like nowhere else. The vast prayer hall can accommodate over 2,500 people, all sitting together in silent reflection. And look up, the 27 pedal-shaped marble panels create a stunning play of light and shadow, making you feel connected to something bigger than yourself. Every year, over 10 million visitors come here. Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Buddhists, everyone is welcome. But did you know the Lotus Temple is not just beautiful, it's also eco-friendly. The surrounding pools are not just for beauty, they help cool the temple naturally. And deep inside, an innovative ventilation system ensures fresh air circulates without the need for air conditioning. Even the electricity is partly powered by solar energy, making this one of India's most sustainable places of worship. Whether you are seeking spiritual peace, architectural inspiration, or just a quiet moment in the chaos of Delhi, the Lotus Temple offers something for everyone. As the sun sets, the temple glows like a beacon of peace, reminding us that spirituality has no boundaries. The Lotus Temple is more than a building. It's a message of unity, peace, and harmony. In the morning, the temple bathes in the golden light of dawn, symbolizing new beginnings. By afternoon, it stands strong under Delhi's bustling energy. And as the sun sets, the structure glows like a sacred lotus floating in the twilight. Would you visit the Lotus Temple? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing travel stories.